The things that I love the most about it are how many opportunities I have to customize all of the features on the program. I love how easy it is for anyone to learn, even me. I was surprised. I'm impressed with the price for what you get. The customer service is phenomenal and very fast. They'll get back to you within 24 hours. They're always looking for suggestions on how to improve their software, and they really, truly listen. It's helped me grow my business incredibly. The marketing tools are fantastic. It has everything that I need, and I've been doing massage since 2009, mostly on my own. So this has been an incredible opportunity. So thanks, ClinicSense.